Hi friends, can you pronounce these brand names like a native speaker or just like an American? Once try before I telling them. If you can make 7 on 7, you are a master of English. A linguist or a polyglot? Yeah, really. If you can make 6, superb. 5, excellent. 4, very good. Below that, miles to go. Once try and make your comments, please. Number 1, Nike. Nike. Number 2, Adidas. Adidas. 3, Porsche. Porsche. Number 4, Versace. 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 5, Huawei. 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 Number 6, IKEA. IKEA. Last but not the least, Coke. Coke. Thank you.